Well, this is day 3 of my 4-day camping adventure here at Bullards Beach State Park, and I already knew ahead of time that it was going to rain this day and probably tomorrow again, but here we are. It's raining. You got to take the bad with the good, or the good with the bad, or however you look at it. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do today. I had thought about going into Bandon and going down on the old town and look at some of the gift shops and stuff down there, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just sit here and watch a couple movies or listen to the radio or listen to an audiobook or something. I don't know. It's definitely not an outdoor day. Well, it's a while later in the morning. The rain has stopped, and now the wind is blowing. And it's time for some hot chocolate. Well, you gotta love Oregon. It's so nice and green and lush here on the Oregon coast, and one of the reasons it is so green and lush is because we get lots of rain. You shouldn't be disappointed that it rains once in a while. It has its own beauty. At least it's not downpouring.
Well, the rain pretty much stopped and there was some blue sky, so I thought I'd go out for a drive. This is the end of the road down by the lighthouse and the jetty, not too far from the campground. Well, let's head into Bandon and go down on the old town down there and explore around and see what we can come up with. Well, I parked my car and got out and walked up and down the street. Went into a few of these little curio shops down here, I don't know, tourist destination places where you can buy trinkets and souvenirs and all kinds of good little stuff like that. Walked up and down the harbor there, saw a bunch of really cool stuff. There's some sculptures down there. Bought a couple things. There's a place on Main Street where they have all of these welded steel animals and all kinds of good stuff. Then there's a bunch of pottery and all kinds of things that are imported from Mexico. I would really like one of those dinosaurs, but it's a little bit out of my budget. But they're awesome. Wouldn't that look great in the front yard? Then after walking around down there in Old Town, I went for another bit of a drive, went around the loop road that goes along the ocean beach there. There's actually a lot of houses and stuff back there, but it was really windy down there. Stopped at several different pull-outs, little day use areas, parks, you know. We can go down and have a picnic when it's really nice in the daytime, but today it was stay in the car and look out the window. I didn't really see too many people down here enjoying this wind and wet, but it was kind of interesting. Something to do. Then as I was continuing my drive around the loop, this happened. still, poor weather or not, it's still been a great camping trip so far. Well, thanks for coming along with me on this little wet, rainy day, but I did get to do some exploring. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed being out here and all this stuff. So, see you in the next video. Stay tuned for part 4.